going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget, this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And Bitcoin and cryptos are moving up slightly the same as the stock market. And we can see them pushing down yields, and that's giving stocks and cryptos relief. And if you're in America, we know that cryptos make the biggest moves overnight. Cryptos do not sleep. But guys, remember, all this crypto stocks, all of it's being controlled by an algorithm, and it's very important you study Aladdin. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, volume, tether, USDC. And what's very important with USDC, and especially with these stable coins, but especially USDC, because I've said it time and time again from the beginning, they were the chosen one after we heard Jeremy and Brian Brooks speak. But we have uncollateralized DeFi mortgage taken out on Austin condo via teller. So guys, we know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. This is why smart contracts are so important. But we know DeFi is the new banking. Remember, 2022 to 2025 is all about building. Remember, this is Shemitah year. This starts off the building year. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed doing $1.8 trillion for the repo. And then, guys, we know in a few days, we're going to see that 50 basis points. We know for a fact now, because of all the conversation, it's not going to be 25 basis points. They were saying 75 basis points. So we know that we're going to have 2 50-point basis points in a row. So we know that is going to hurt cryptos and stocks. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale that pulled back yesterday right along with the market. So most likely, because the market is moving up, guess what? They probably will buy. This whole market is manipulated. Now let's get over to a little crypto news. We have the world's first combined Bitcoin and gold ETP listed on SIX. And guys, this is by 21 shares and Bitrue. And guys, we know this is all about hedging. We see everyone getting ready. And then also we have the casino being opened up even bigger. We have Bybit adds crypto options trading to part of its expansion plans. And guys, when you open up the casino, you don't care whether it goes up or down because you make money either way. Now we have Purpose Bitcoin ETF picks up 1,100 Bitcoin. Also, we have Dragonfly Capital raises $650 million for third crypto fund. Now we have Joe McCain, one of the NWO's chess pieces, looking to raise $1 billion, backed by Solana and Andreessen, my God. And I just want y'all to remember that crypto hasn't even got off the ground. All this DeFi, it hasn't even started yet, but we're seeing billions and billions taken out of the legacy market and moved over to cryptos and digital transformation. Because the masses are so distracted, the NWO can build right in front of their eyes. We can clearly see that these robots, algorithms, and drones are going to take humanity out of the picture, and the sheep will go inside the metaverse. Now, guys, do not forget that we have back tomorrow, and then we're going to have futures on Friday. We saw for the last 2 months the volume picked up on Thursday for a futures contract. So we're going to see whether that happens again. But that's going to let us know whether we're going to take a dip or a little pump, or whether we're just going to stay flat. So guys, make sure you're checking the actual contracts and open interest on CME. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. Powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.